Hello, welcome to Ekido. We are trained for just civil and structural engineer. Today, I'll be showing you the new StoneBridge template 2024. So this is the new release of StoneBridge template 2024. As you know that StoneBridge template is a template used for the detailing of reinforced concrete um, building or structure, but mostly it is used with Protastructure. So when you are done with your building in Protastructure, and then you can now export all your design details that was done in Protastructure into the StoneBridge template, and it will help you to optimize all the drawings. Now, these new versions, as you can see, these new versions has a template for steel. You can see here has a template for steel, and also has a template for Staadpro software, and has a template for Orion CAC software. And also it also has a bar bending schedule, and they have also added a help contacts and what's near that. So if in case you want to contact them directly, you can just use the button here, and then for help you use this one, and for Babylon schedule you use this one. Now let me just show you right now what is new on this template. Basically, this 2024 is new compared to 2023 version, and one thing that is new is that this one makes your work faster. As you know that 2023 used to lag when you're using it for your drawings. It used to take like it used to lag, but this other version right now is very optimized. Now let's begin right now. So we now begin for the pi. As you can see that building on pi foundation, as you can see that. So if you open this place right now, and then let's assume that you did your video on you did the design on pi foundation in Protastructure software. Now you can see that it has opened the template for you. So once you open the template, meanwhile I'm using a registered AutoCAD, as you can see there. So once you open the template, as you can see here, you will now begin to paste your own drawing into this environment here. Now as you can see, you have a sample of how pi foundation drawing is meant to look like. As you can see, this is the pi foundation layout. Okay, yeah. So this is the pi foundation layout, as you can see. And if you go further here, you will see that this is your pi foundation detailing. Sorry, your pi cap detail here. This is your pi cap detail. As you can see it here, showing the pi cap of a detail here, which is a pi cap 4. Yeah, this other one here. So you can see the pi cap also showing here for you, and the pi cap section, and then also the shear bar reinforcement is showing for you, and also the reinforcement bending radius is showing for you, because this is very important for a pi foundation. You have to show the bending radius of how they will bend all the reinforcement based on the sizes. Okay, then also you also see the pi cap detailing here with the reinforcement, and then the reinforcement of the pi cap plan, as you can see there. The same thing happens to if you have a pi that has up to three. You can see the three shapes and all that. So you have already a template here for pi foundation, which does not which didn't come with with the last version, but this version right now it has it. Okay, and also then also you can also see your pi detailing. This is your pi detailing, as I see there. This is the pi detailing, as you can see it here. And then you can see your column, your column detail with also the pi here, as you can see it. Column detail with the pi. So this have to detail a column section for a pi foundation. Okay, the same thing happens here, and then you also see the pi connecting beams, the beam that will connect all the pi caps together. You can see how to detail it perfectly. Now let me show you that one again. Now this is for a slab raft foundation. If I click here right now, to open the template for a slab raft. Basically everything here is working, as you can see there, compared to 23 that only that the pi was not working, and the strap wasn't working. Okay, so if I these are open right now, so this is now a building on a slab raft here. This is for a slab raft foundation. As you can see, this is for a slab raft foundation. This is what they call extra reinforcement that will take care of punching on these column areas, as you can see that. So this is the shear reinforcement, because I think this slab is, let me see, yeah, the slab depth is already 850. No, since it's a slab raft, so you need to make it bigger because there is no beam, only the slab. Okay, so you can see the column reinforcement too for this one. So basically this template helps you to guide you on your detailing after you're done with your building on Protastructure. Okay, so again, you now go again here. If you check for beam wrap foundation, yeah, basically the one that was in 2023 version was lagging, and there was lagging basically, but this new one right now makes your work easier, and they have also optimized their detailing on Raft. As you can see that it has a section compared to 23 that doesn't have a section. So this one right now has a section. I can see it right here. This is the slab raft. This is the beam raft section having a toe. This is the toe, as you can see it here. Now most of you have been asking me over my over my design when I used to use toe, that how will the reinforcement be connected to from the toe slab to the beam and to the top slab here. Now, I think your question is answered on this template, because if you check on the reinforcement here of this Raft foundation here, they did it perfectly here. You can see it here. This is how your reinforcement now is being tied together from the toe slab all the way down like a stem, all the way down into the top slab here. So you can see that this new version of StoneBridge is well done. And also you can see the reinforcement for the raft, where you have to call the top reinforcement button and the bottom top. That's how raft foundation used to look like. Okay, then also you can see this is the complete raft, as you can see there, a complete raft, and everything you need is on this raft foundation here. Although I'll be making more videos about how to use them later, but this is just to show you guys that everything works. Okay, so right now the same thing happens here. This is for a steel, yeah, so this is for a steel which works perfectly with the software Protastructure. So if maybe you did the steel design on Protastructure or Staadpro, you can use these steel templates for your detailing and also for your fabrication drawing. So let me use it for you to open right now. This is for steel. Okay, so right now the steel has opened just now, and if you look the steel right now, you will see that there is a sample they gave you here for steel. This should be a steel warehouse, and having a connection. You can see the connection of the steel. This was done with Protastructure basically. So you can see the connection of the, sorry, is coming up, okay, of the steel, and also everything you need. Now if you now go below here, you begin to see this is the plan layout for your steel. So this is the base plate layout for your steel, as you can see there. This is the steel base plate. And then if you now go further again, you can see the steel frames and their connections. Now if you want to see the connection detail right now, if you go to this page here, you will begin to see the steel connection details. So I would advise that those that want to know how to use steel detailing, I would say that this template is for you, also for basically for this steel, because you will learn more on steel detailing and creating your fabrication drawings. Okay, and as you can see here also, basically it carries almost let me say it carries almost all steel connections. I think that's what they have to use this warehouse, because it has so many connections, and from that you will be able to know how to detail some connections on your steel drawings. Okay, so let me just move on now to these are other things. These are for the pedestal that is carrying those stanchions. Yeah, and this is the bar bearing schedule and all that. Okay, now I'll now move on right now to the next one, which is this is for Y strip. Y strip also has also been optimized. Before, in the last version, it was a bit lagging, but on this new version, they have all optimized all that. So this is also for white strip foundation. As you can see, is for white strip foundation. So if in case you did a design on white strip foundation using Protastructure or any software, then you can use this perfectly for your detailing. Okay. If you want to know how this template works directly, you can check all my other of my videos on StoneBridge 2020 version and other versions and see how it works with other structure. Although I will still show you that later. Okay, then also we move again to the next one. This is for a pad foundation. This is for a pad foundation, which has also been optimized compared to the last version. Okay, then we now go again. Okay, we now this is also for a pad foundation, which is also optimized. Okay, then you can see the slab detailing here. Then we now move on to the Staadpro own. If you click on the Staadpro here, now for those people that are using Staadpro, if you do your design on Staadpro and then generate your detailing from Staadpro, you can quickly paste it directly on this StoneBridge template and it will help you a lot. Knowing that Staadpro detailing is way too bad, but this template helps you a lot to take care of all that and help you to arrange your drawings in a way that it will be standard of detailing. Okay, so you can see the samples that you have here ready. So when you're done with your drawing, this is what you are going to have, something of this nature. Okay, so right now again we move again right now to Orion software template. So if I click here right now, it will open the Orion template. So basically, this 2024 version is empowering three softwares: Protastructure, Staadpro, and Orion software. And also, it has also a steel detailing which can be used for Staadpro or with Orion with Protastructure. Okay, so I open here right now. Now, this is now for the Orion software. So if you now paste, once you're done with your Orion software, you now paste it here. Though most people still use Orion CAC software for their design. So for those people that are still using it, you now have your own template that works perfectly as Prota structure as Prota template with StoneBridge software. Okay, so we now go again right now and move on. So now we now have the bar bending schedule here. So you just click on the bar bending schedule button here and it will open to you a bar bending schedule. Now, one thing that is good on this bar bending schedule is that your as you can see the bar bending schedule here, it has member, all that. It has bar mark, bar diameter, number of members, number of each, lights, length of each bar, sorry. And then now one thing that is good on this place is that you only touch this order, you can only edit these ones that has these colors as if it's I don't know, something light brown, I don't know, yeah, light brown. Only edit these colors here, but this other one here is done for you automatically. So basically this StoneBridge bar bending schedule helps you to calculate your total bar mark automatically, your total length automatically, your total weight of your weight automatically, and your total weight automatically. So, so right now you don't need to think of what is the weight of Y16, delta 16, T16, T20, and all that. No, now, let me assume that you just put your bar mark and then put your diameter of your bar to be 16. Meanwhile, put your eye here. You can see that the weight of diameter 12 is 0.8879. Now, if I go here right now and then change to 16, which will be 1.58 something. You can see that it will change here right now to 1 point. You can see that 1.5 approximately 8, 1.5785, as you can see that. So automatically this right now takes care of everything. And then if I go and put and change my length of each here, you see that here will change automatically here. If I put here the length of each to be, let me say 15, put your eye here, it will change, and then click outside. You can see that here has changed automatically for you. And then if you also change your length of bar, let me say to 500 meters, And then here also will change automatically. You can see that here is changing. Yeah, that's fine. So this is how the template works perfectly. And for this total number of bars, if I come here right now and then let me just say I change here for 10, you can see that it's changing automatically based on what you input here. So this template works perfectly, and you can also change your shape. Let me say you want to have a U-bar around this place. So you have the right to just remove this and then form a U-bar for yourself. You can remove this one here and form a U, then take this one down to bring to draw your own shape for your bar, and then copy this. So basically like that, this now becomes a U bar. Can you see that? Sorry. Let me just click here and then click here and mirror, and you can see that right now. So this now becomes a U bar. So you can quickly draw your shape of your enforcement to how you want. And if let me say you want to have something like this, just one area bent, just come like this now, and then come here, bring, sorry, copy this and copy this, okay, and then go all the way down here, keep this here, okay, and then reduce this now. I'm coming, reduce this to this level, and remove this, and remove this, okay, and then you have something like this. You can also bring it down a bit if you want to bring it down. This, yes, sorry. Click on the image directly on the line and on the text, okay, and this also, and bring it down, okay, and then go here and put the length of this, put the length of this, you can put it up. The length of this can be 600 or thereabouts, 600 and thereabout, okay, that's fine. So you can now see that you can quickly do your own shape based on how you want. Then with that now, you will now calculate altogether 2.6 plus this, that's 3.2 plus that's 3.4, okay. So you now come here right now and then change the length here by yourself to 3,400. Okay, that's fine. Automatically it will also change everything here for you for the total length, weight, and the total weight, okay. And then at the end of everything, you now summarize all the weight for you here at the bottom. You can see that bar overall weight, and that's what you need for your MTU, okay. So right now you can now see that this StoneBridge template 24 has a lot to do. And if also you need help, like let me say you want help right now on how to use any of them, you can just contact the company directly, compared to 2020 and 2023 that doesn't have all these contact informations. So just click on help right now, then wait for it to open up. It will open up a place for you where you can write your complaints as your mail, as you can see, stonebridgecompany.uk. Then just put your email there and say, let me just say, hello, I am, let me just say, I am, or just say hello and then enter. I am Justice. Just put your name. Okay. Let me just say, and I need help on, or I need a video on how to use the column, or how to detail the column area, how to detail, okay, let me say detail a ramp, okay. So if you need help on the templates, they can just send your message, okay. Now they will just quickly reply you ASAP, okay, because I have done that. I have checked them and they also reply not less than 10 minutes, or they just reply you. And also contact, also the same thing. You can also just contact on hello, just say hello and not that. Just put a message. I am contacting you in regards, just put something like that. In regards, just put something that is good and that, you understand? So that's, and then send a message, okay? And then that's all. Okay, and then they will also reply you. So this is a StoneBridge template. So now, so for those that need this template, I will say that you should check on the link down below and download that, or you can also inbox us on WhatsApp and also get this template, although it's not free. Okay, but I think it's not, I think the price range is not so far away from the 2023 version. I think it's almost the same, if not the same. So just check on the link down below and then download that. And then if you have any kind of complaints, you can also reach me up on WhatsApp, or you just reach the company here directly, and they will also give you the same customer service. Okay, so thank you so much and God bless you. If you want this template, I'll say check on the link down below and get this template. The link to these templates is below, and get that. Okay, so thank you so much and God bless you. We love you, and then goodbye for now.